Welcome to the project demonstration of bidirectional buck boost converter with isolated DC to DC converter, its modulation. In this project we are using one step down transformer and one step up transformer, and also using 12 volts 1 amp battery, 12 volts 2 amp battery, two H bridge circuits and one PIC microcontroller and buck boost bidirectional converter, and also here we are using two DC motors. Here we can see two DC motors. Each motor have a 12 volts of rating, and also here we can see a step down transformer and one charging circuit. This product will act as a boost converter, and also this product will work as a buck converter. Boost converter means which boosts the voltage, buck converter means which down the DC voltage. So let me see the demonstration. So here we are providing the power supply through this battery, and we are providing crocodile pins for battery connections. So here we can see, if I on this one, so here we can see the light indication, which means it is buck converter, boost converter, which means it is a boost converter, and power supply will be go from high potential to low potential. So this power will be given to go to this high potential to low potential. So how high potential to low potential will be go? This is the functionality. So this battery will be given to this buck boost converter, then it will be boost the voltage and it will given to this H bridge. So it will be, this H bridge will be act as a inverter, and here we can see the two transformers. These two transformers are connected to this H bridge. So it will convert DC to AC. That AC power will be given to this 1:1 high frequency transformer. So here we can see, so step down, here we can see 12 volts of power supply is given to this step down side, and again here we can see it is a generating 230 volts of AC. So that 230 volts of AC voltage will be given to this step down transformer. It is step up transformer which step ups 12 volts to 230 volts, and again it is given to this step down transformer which step down up to 230 volts to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this H bridge rectifier. This H bridge rectifier will convert the AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this battery and also connected to this load. For the load purpose we are using two DC fans, and also we are providing the switches to on off this DC loads. And again, if I want to use as a buck converter, so I have to give a power supply through this crocodile pins. Now here we can see green light is on, which means it is a low potential to high potential power is transferring, and also here we can see this load is in on position. And also if I on this one, this fan will be rotated, which means high potential to low potential this load will be act, and low potential to high potential this load will be acts. So these are the two H bridges. This will be act as inverter and this will be act as a rectifier. So based on the pulses, this will be act as a inverter and this will be act as a rectifier. So pulses are given to this MOSFETs through this PIC microcontroller. PIC microcontroller will generate the pulses based on the inverter model and also based on rectifier. And also we can buck the converter and we can boost the converter. So here we can see I just on the power supply and also I am giving the power supply. It will be boost the converter and buck the converter bidirectionally. So we will use only one converter like buck or boost. Because of this, MOSFET will be having a which produce a high heat. That's why we have use only for buck converter. After that buck converter, we will use boost converter. And also we design this circuit based on the block diagram. So here we can see the block diagram. So this is the block diagram of this project. So here we can see the battery. So battery connections are given here, and also here we can see this will be a buck boost converter, and also here we can see the one H bridge is connected here, and also here we can see HFT high frequency transformer. So through this bridge rectifier, H bridge rectifier, here we can see these two transformers are connected here, and again another transformer is given to this H bridge. So here we can see the H bridge. This connection is going to this H bridge circuit through. Here we can see, after that here we can see the battery. So that battery is this one, and also the isolated driver circuit is a PIC microcontroller board. These three are replaced with this PIC microcontroller. If we want to charge these batteries, we are using charging circuit. So we are giving the power supply through this power cable, which takes 230 volts of AC power supply, and will be stepped down up to 12 volts. So this rectifier converts AC to DC. So it will convert up to 12 volts of DC. That 12 volts of DC will be given to this bridge rectifier. So here we can see. So the charging indication means battery get charged. If the battery get full charge, then we will remove this connection. For in this project, we are not shifting these two batteries for courier or parcel terms and condition based. We are not providing these batteries. That's why we are using these crocodile pins. Here we can see these two crocodile pins. So instead of that, so you can use another battery like this kind of. Use each battery having a 4 volts. That 4 volts will be connected series, and will be a 12 volts of battery, and make another one 12 volts of pack and connected in parallel. Then it will be a 2 amp 12 volts battery, and again you have to connect that one as a red for positive and black for the negative. And also here we can see another battery pack. Connect 4 volts battery in a series. It will be give a 12 volts 1 amp rating. Then after that you have to give a negative for black, positive for red. In this way you can connect these batteries. That's why we are providing these crocodile pins. Thanks for the watching.